also observe Nelson Mandela International Day by promoting and engaging in community service. And today, we remember a man of great wisdom, quiet dignity, and towering achievement, who worked tirelessly for peace and human dignity for people everywhere. This is our organization's purpose, and as leaders, it is our responsibility. Let us commit to build on Nelson Mandela's legacy so that all people everywhere can enjoy peace, prosperity, and inclusive and sustainable development. Thank you.